Hello, let's try to solve this problem together. First, we have to understand the problem. You are in a very dark room, seated beside a round table. On the surface of the table, there are 4 deep circular vertical holes. On the plan view, there are at the 4 vertices of a square. So we have, there is a table with 4 holes. For example, if I draw the table and then there are 4 holes, a wine glass is inserted into each of these holes. Okay, so we have 4 wine glasses. When all wine glasses are in the same orientations, that is all top up or all bottom up, the light comes on and the party begins. So we also have 4 wine glasses. I don't know the orientation of each of them. So maybe T means top up orientation, and then B means bottom up. Maybe, yeah, this one top up, maybe, I don't know. Maybe, for example, okay. The game is the surface of the table together with the wine glasses spins in a circular motion widely. We spin. It stops for a few seconds before spinning again, and this sequence is repeated indefinitely until the light comes on. Okay, we spin. During each stop, you are allowed to make this move. Insert your hands left and right once into 2 of the holes. Feel the orientation of the glasses and flip them if you want to. Okay, so if it stops for a few seconds, then I can choose maybe this and this, and then I can feel the orientation. For example, if I choose this, then I know, oh, this one bottom up and this one is top up. Okay, and then it spin again and stop again, and then I can check again. I know the orientation and I can flip one of them or both of them, or I'm not flipping at all. Okay. Devise a strategy that will ensure that the party will begin in finite time. I think I understand the problem, but yeah, if we always draw a picture, I think it is not that efficient. So it is better if we define this diagram, something like this, and we fill with T or B. For example, T, B, B, T for our picture. Okay, this one is much easier rather than I have to draw picture every time. Okay, now what we have to do, I think I understand the problem. Then, okay, devise plan 1. Okay, so I know, but I don't know the orientation of each of them. So maybe it is better to list all possibilities. So we have the first case, maybe something like this: TBBT, TBBT, Okay, if we spin, that will be the same. So we try to find another one. Okay, two different. Maybe, yeah, this one is a little bit different. BB, because two glasses with the same orientation are not at the diagonal, so it should be different. And C, I have two. So what happen if I have one different with other glasses? So for example, I have TB, BB, or I have B, T, T, T. Yeah, that's possible. Okay. We have list of possibility. So this one should be carry out plan 1. But I think it is not enough, because even we know which case, but we still cannot do anything. So okay, we have to devise the second plan. We try to solve all cases. Yeah. Okay. We try to solve all cases. For the first case, I have TBBT. What I have to do? From here, we see all diagonals are the same. So TT or BB. So I think it is better to put our hands on the diagonal. So we try put hands on diagonal and flip it. So for example, if I get this diagonal TT, then I flip, I have BB. Okay. So I have BB, BB. Okay, I solve the first problem. If I get this one, I flip TT, so I get TT, TT. Okay, done. So we solve this case. How about the second case? What happens if we have TT, BB, or that's the same like if we have TT, BB here, because we will spin, so it doesn't matter. What happens if we have TT, BB? Yeah, we just put diagonal. If we try to put diagonal again, do we get something? I don't think so. So we try lah. If we put on the side, put hands on side. Okay. So for example, if we get here, then we put, what happens if we flip both? TT. Okay, done. If we get here, flip both. Okay, done again. But we also can get T and B here. Okay. So maybe we split into two cases. If we have both of the same orientation, or next time I will use SO, flip both. So we get either BB, BB, or TT, TT. Okay, so done. Solve. Okay, what happens if different orientations? So for the second case, if they have different orientations, which one better? If I get, for example, here T and B, okay, try to flip both also. Is it good? Yeah, that's good. For example, here DO. Oh, okay, flip both. So what we have, if we get here, we flip both. So we get TB. Here become T, and here still B, and here T. BT. This one is case A. Go back to case A. So we can use this method to solve it. Okay. Now I need to erase everything. Okay. Done. Magic. Now the third case. C. Since they are similar, so we only solve one of them. Without loss of generality, we assume the orientation is this one, TBBB. Okay, now what we have from here? What we have to do? TBBB. Is it better to choose the diagonal like this or on the side? Okay, let's try the diagonal. So put hands on diagonal. What happens if we have same orientation or different orientation? So if different orientation, if we flip one of them, for example this become B, then done. If this become T, go back to case A. So I think it is better to flip one of them. But if the same orientation, if we only flip one of them, then TTBB. Go back to case B. So it is better to flip one of them. We put hands on the diagonal and flip one of them. So there are two possibilities. One is same orientation or different orientation. If it is same orientation, so we get B and B. We flip one of them, or we only have this choice. So only one possibility. We get TBB, or we get TTBB. That's the same. Okay, what is it? Go back to case B. And what happened for different orientation? So we get this diagonal. If we get this T, we flip this T, so it's done. We get BB, BB. But if we flip this B, we have TB, BT. Okay. So this one solved, and this one is our case A. Okay, done. So we solve all cases. But the problem is how to know the orientation is belong to which case. Because yeah, we are in the dark room, we cannot see the glasses. So we don't know is it in case A, in case B, or in case C. Yeah, we don't know. So what happened? Okay, I need to erase this part. Wow, like a magic, it disappeared. Okay, let's we continue with Devise plan 3. So we make general moves. Okay. For example, if we have this one, I put a question mark because I don't know. So there are two cases. First, if we have the diagonal are the same or the diagonal are not same. So without loss of generality, for example, if I have T, this one I don't know. This one also of generality. We have TB, I don't know. Okay, so this one is first case, second case. I need to erase this part again. Wow, clean. Okay, what happens if they are at the same orientation? Like this. For example, if you have TT or BB, same. So this one must be B or T. This one B or T, but cannot both of them are T. Because if both of them are T, then the lights on, the game's end. Okay, so one of them must be B, at least. So we have two cases. The first case is something like this. TB. Sorry, this one should be T. And second case is T, B, T. We can feel the diagonal same, but we don't know in which one. So we have to make a general move for both cases. So what we have to do, what happened here? Check diagonal again. Flip both. Okay. If we flip both, then BB, done. We flip both, BB, still not done. So flip both. So this one become B. So solve. If it is not solved, the light is not on, then it must be this case, BB, BT. So we do case A procedure. Add Devise plan 2. Okay, that's done for this. How about this? Okay, for this one, TB different. We split again. what's the possibility? Okay, so already different. Can be T, can be B. I don't know. Can be both B, can be both T. Okay. So not only 2, but can be more. T, for example, first is TT, TB. Okay. So I have 4 possibility, not only 2. C to D. 4 possibility. I have TT, TB, TB, TB. Okay, TB, TB. See, okay. And the last one is T, B, B, B. This one similar, not to A, similar with to D, and then to B, similar with to C. So we will solve to A and to B. That's enough. Okay. So what happened here? We check diagonal. We know these two. We know. Which one better? Flip one or flip both or do nothing? If we do nothing, yeah, we cannot get anything. Really. Yeah. Okay. If we flip both, what happen? This one become B, become T. Case 1. If we flip both, become B, become T. Go back. Okay. If we flip only one, if we only one, this one flip, solve. This one flip, case A, flip 1. Okay, case 3. If we flip this, case C. So yeah, it is better to flip one. Flip one of them. So from case to A, we get two things. It can be BT, TB, because we flip this T, or we can flip this B. Come TT, TT. This one solved. Or second case, we can flip this T, become BB, TB, and we also can flip this B, become TT, TB. Okay, so we don't know. And then what we have to do, if we know like this, we have to make one general move that can solve everything. Do we check the diagonal again or check the side? From here, is it better to flip to check the diagonal or the side? I think, yeah, check the diagonal again. Check diagonal again. So there are two possibilities. Same position, same orientations of different orientation. Okay, then this one can be from here or here. or here, or here. So which one better? I think if same orientation, then flip both. Okay, we flip both. If we get this case we flip both, then solve. Or if we get this case, then we get TB KC. This case BB TB. Oh, both are KC. So if the light is not on, then we do KC procedure. Then what happen for different orientation? Cannot be from here. Should be from here. This or this. So what happen if we get this T? Then the lights on. And if we get this, so I think it is better to flip one of them, because if we flip both, then we do nothing. So if we flip this, then done. If we flip this, okay, become B T T B. This one is case A. Okay, done. And another possibility from here, get solved again. Or if we get this and then case A again, same thing. T T B B or solve. And this one also case A. Okay. Now we do check and expand. Okay, we do checking. Do we list all possibility for the orientations? Yes, because only 3 possibility. One different with others, or 2 different with others, and can be at the diagonal or can be on the side. So okay lah. For Devise plan 1 should be fine. And how about this one? Do we make a general move? So okay, we check diagonal and we try to solve it. Okay, it's done. And this part again, all done. Okay, so that's the answer. Next is, can you find the alternative solution for this one? Because it looks so messy. Okay, we need to erase everything. Okay, done. We have erased everything. Then we are ready for the alternative solution. We make another plan. What's the possible plan? What happens if we force all orientations become top up? Orientations top up. Okay, so I don't know. We try to force it into all T. So yeah, easy step. So okay, first step, check diagonal, and then flip all to top up. Second step, check side and flip all to top up. First move, second move. So what's the possibility? We try to make it top up, diagonal, at least one of them top up, and the side, at least one of them top up. This one I don't know. So it can be top up or can be bottom up. This one solve. The lights on, and this one we can do with case C procedure. So we do case C procedure, then done. This one is an alternative solution. Now we try to expand. What's the possibility to expand this? Is it possible if we have only 3? What happens if we have 3 holes and 3 glasses? Is it possible if we have this like this, the arrangement? Is it possible? I don't think so, because yeah, it is possible if we have, for example, like this TTTB, and we choose 2. It is possible we get into the same holes every time. That's quite possible. So we cannot ensure that it will finish at a finite time. So this one not possible to ensure it will finish in finite time. So belongs to the probability. But what happens if we have like this? Is it possible? If we have this arrangement, is it okay? Yeah, of course, because we can check sides and check center plus one side. For example, when we check sides, we force it into TT. We force here TT, the side become TT, and then we put our hand in the center and force it into T. Done. So this one possible. Usually this one possible. What's the second extension? From 4 becomes 5. Is it possible? What happens if we have 5 holes plus 5 glasses? With this idea, yeah, if we put at the center, yes, it can be done, because we add one more step, correct, to here. We force it into T, top up, Then we use this procedure. Okay, done. Another thing, can we calculate how many moves that we have? The longest one, 1, 2, and we just discussed KC need 3 moves maximum, so maximum 5 moves. So what happen if we change the question? Become not enough. Number 3, can we ensure it stop after 5 moves? The answer is yes, with this argument. Okay, that's all. This is the end of this video. Hope the explanation is clear enough and you can learn something from it. See you in the next video.